Affirmative action back in the Supreme Court's calendar. The High Court hearing arguments tomorrow on whether race ought to be taken into account when it comes to college admissions. University of Texas being sued by Abigail Fisher. She claims the university unconstitutionally considered race in the admissions process, resulting in her exclusion. This case comes 9 years after the court said affirmative action could be used to help diversify student bodies. And Dominic, we were talking about this before. This isn't some theoretical debate for you. This is you.
Not at all. The fact of the matter is, Richard, and this is personal for me. I'm not about excluding anyone, but if not for programs like this, I would not have a college degree today. And let's look at this for 1 second. A lifetime of society taking care of you, or prison, or being on the tax rolls for 25 years, paying more in taxes, paying quite a bit in taxes. Which one would you prefer?
That's an obvious answer, but here's the tougher question.
You were going
the kid comes before you, and you're on the bench now, right?
Okay.
And she says, "Hey, I got nothing against Dominic Carter, who got my spot in college,
right.
But what did I do? Why shouldn't I get a spot?"
But who says I got her spot? Can you prove that I got her spot? Well, that's a convenient argument.
But why are we asking a question to begin with?
But wait,
shouldn't we just look at the applicants, look at their grades, look at their story, now with the color next to it, and just say, that person's better than the other.
Wait. In Cinderella Land, yes. If we did that, how many black kids would be in college?
I don't know.
We know the answer.
We know.
History has already shown us. History has already shown us that minority kids, and 1980, 1990, 2000. Look at the state.
I didn't get into my own because I was white. I was a bad student.
Look at the state.
I was just a bad student.
Look at the state.
I smoked too much weed in high school, played sports, and that's all I did. So it wasn't my color of my skin. I was just a dope.
Those qualities will get you into a lot of the top colleges.
So if I checked off that I was black, that would have meant that I had a better chance to get in. I didn't deserve to get in.
But I went to college on a program called Educational Opportunity Program. Yeah. And what that means is not just for black kids or Latino kids or Asian kids. It's for white kids as well. But disadvantaged students that don't meet the criteria academically or financially. And I just think it's a fantastic program.
Listen, finances should never come into it. Marc, we should be paying more to help kids get through college. But the color of your skin shouldn't matter.
Ruling and the majority opinion in it, they saw that there was a value that was attached to having a diversified student body that was more reflective of society.
Interest. Yeah, that's what they decided in 2003. It goes back all the way to Baki. The question is how you implement it.
And that's the point, by the way.
But is there a way to implement it without getting to the core root debate, which is one kid's going to be able to get in where another one isn't because of the color of their skin?
I don't think they're going to get to the core root debate. I don't think they're going to disturb affirmative action as a theoretical construct. I don't think they have the votes for it. Kagan is out of the case. For example, Kennedy is going to be the swing vote. There are ways to dispose of the case just by analyzing Texas's particular policy without getting to the root precedent.
Andrew, at the end, this is about either equity here or more representation or equal representation if a college, what it's going to look like. I understand this girl's argument. I also understand the argument if I'm putting a college together, I don't want all the kids looking alike. That's the choice we really have to make here, isn't it?
That's the choice that the court is going to have to make, but colleges can still allow admissions based on legacies. Why should, the son of some former whatever get a leg up over somebody else if you're not going to allow it on racial lines or on other lines?
It's also only 15% of the class there. 85% is guaranteed to the top 10% of the high school students in the state. So it's only 15%.
When we come back, we're going to continue with the debate. And this one happened on a Sunday football field here, and it's got a lot of people, including myself, asking what the heck is going on. Sports Corner up next.